lecture, let us discuss about types of AI based on functionality. So we have different categories here like reactive machines, limited memory, theory of mind, and self-aware AI. So let us discuss them one by one. First one is reactive machines. Reactive machines, they are AI systems which have no memory. So they mainly or they operate solely based on present data, taking into account only the current situation. So they can perform a narrow range of predefined tasks. So we can just define it as a AI system which do not store memories or any past experiences in order to perform any action in future. So it mainly focus on the current scenario and react on it as per possible best action. So one of the best examples of reactive AI is Deep Blue, IBM's chess playing AI program which defeated world champion Gary Kasparov. So Deep Blue had ability to identify its own and its opponent's pieces on the chessboard in order to make predictions, but it did not have the memory to use past mistakes to inform future decisions. Second one is limited memory. So as the name indicates, limited memory AI, it can take informed and improved decisions. So based on the past experiences which are stored in some temporary memory, it will take informed and improved decisions. This AI doesn't remember everything forever, but it just uses its short term memory in order to learn from the past and make better decisions for future. So if you consider the previous one, reactive machines, so they do not have memory at all. Okay, whereas limited memory, it has some memory, temporary memory. So it uses that short-term memory in order to learn from the past as well as to make uh, decisions for the future. One best example of limited memory AI is self-driving cars. So the AI system in self-driving car, it utilizes the recent past data in order to make real-time decisions. So they employ sensors to recognize pedestrians, steep roads, traffic signals, and more, enhancing their ability to make safer driving choices. So this proactive approach contributes to preventing potential accidents. Another example is recommendation systems. Platforms such as Netflix or Amazon, they use this limited memory AI in order to suggest movies, product or content based on users' past preferences and behaviors. Third one is theory of mind. So the initial two categories of AI, that is reactive machines and limited memory, they presently exist. So we saw few examples also. Whereas if you consider these two, that is theory of mind and self-aware AI, they are not existing. Okay. So they are theoretical types that could be developed in future. As of now, there is no real world examples of these types. Theory of mind is supposed to have the capability in order to understand emotion of a person, people, their beliefs, and it should be able to interact socially. So just like how humans interact with each other in the same way, it should also interact just like humans. And the last one is self-aware AI. So these systems, they'll be super intelligent. So they can have their own consciousness. So they'll have their own sentiments and self-awareness also. So we can say that they will be more smarter when compared to humans. So as shown in the movie I, Robot, an AI system named Vicky becomes self-aware and starts making decisions to protect humanity in a controversial way. So similar to theory of mind, this self-aware AI does not exist in reality. These are different types of AI based on functionalities.